guys, Jane from Relax Fit Tactical. I just want to share a little bit of personal video about how to time manage when you have a business to run and you have a toddler. So if you're wondering why I'm in my bathroom, it's because I just got done brushing my teeth, my toddler is with me upstairs, and my husband is filming downstairs. So this is a very quick video. I just want to share 3 things that you got to do. Make your morning list, your afternoon list, and your evening list the day before. So this helps me a lot to not feel stressed out when the day comes. So if you have a lot of things to do on Monday, let's say you make that list on Sunday and you break it down in 3 sections: morning, afternoon, and evening. The morning list has got to be the smallest list, so 2 to 3 things to get done, because your kiddo is awake and you have that 10 to 15 minute time while she or he is eating breakfast, and then you need to get things done like responding to emails or calling to make an appointment or something. Next is going to be your afternoon list, and this is the most important list of the day because this is going to be the list where you really have to focus and you cannot push back till the next day. So be realistic. If you need to get things done like talk to a manufacturer, you do it in that afternoon list. 1, because you have your coffee already and you're awake. 2, you still have your energy and you don't feel tired. If your kiddos still take naps, that's great because you have that like 2 to 3 hour time of just focus, uninterrupted time, business time. Moving on to the evening list, you have to make this list short as well because your energy is all spent, but you still need to get things done like, I don't know, maybe responding to more emails, counting inventory, something that is easy to do while your kiddo is eating her dinner or his dinner. So you get the point, and so I just want to share these 3 things because you will feel much better and feel more accomplished. So subscribe, stay tuned, and we will put out more content, and Relax Fit Tactical coming out with more stuff real soon. See you guys.